Hi guys, this is Sarivalan. I'm a practitioner of Cloud for Academy. Today I'm going to discuss why we are going to microservice architecture. Right? What is microservice architecture? Before microservice architecture, we are using 10 years back. We are using monolithic architecture. Monolithic architecture means the code, our entire business logic, everything will be in a single code base, right, and single database. So if there is any changes on the code changes or any business requirements or any changes, there will be a lot of effort to deploying that code base, right? So we have to call all the stakeholders. When you say all the stakeholders, we have to call all the dependency team members and release team and the development team, testing team, and there are a lot of effort is required. For minor changes, we need to pull all the resources and then we have to deploy that. Like that, for testing effort, we have to do all kind of testing, like regression testing. When you say testing is too complex. If you are doing small changes, we have to do the regression testing, smoke testing. There are multiple testing need to perform, end-to-end testing. So this is a testing part. And performance, when you say performance, there are a lot of performance. Let's say before 5 o'clock the traffic is low. Let's say 10,000 users are accessing per second. 6 to 7, the user is 1 million users they are accessing per second, right? The site performance goes down. There is no option to increase the CPU or memory or RAM capacity or database instance or database side. Sometimes database goes down due to database will crash due to high traffic bandwidth. Sometimes network components be making slow and code app server is going to down and application will crash. And whenever if there is any small let's say that we are going to deploy some error or something is happening, it's very difficult to debug and then we are fixing that issue, right? So we are facing multiple complexity in the monolithic architecture. That's the reason we are going to microservice architecture. Microservice is small business unit with an independent database, and it's easy to scalable, means performance wise we can increase the CPU memory capacity or database instance, everything we can increase. And also it's an independent database. Let's say 100 microservices will be there, 100 databases will be there, separate databases. So if one microservice is down, there is no impact to the entire system. System will go, only particular microservice is down, that's it. So there are a lot of advanced features like circuit breaker. We can elaborate in the next session how we can design patterns and principles of microservices, right? So this is one of the major point we are moving to microservice architecture. Thank you guys. Let us discuss next session on this.